This is how to make a flying rocket bathtub in the desert. I don't know why I'm doing this. I don't have any video ideas. So first you need to get a bathtub, and then after that a turbine. Then grab the turbine, crouch, and weld it like this. Now hop on, activate the turbine, and you will be flying away faster than your parents left you. Sometimes the turbine will instantly explode, but if your X position is higher than 5,000, you will be in outer space. Like and subscribe for more content, and if you don't subscribe, this spider will be under your bed tonight.